How to pay credit card bills on Citizensbank. Let's get started. Start by heading over to any of the web browser, and then in the source bar, search for citizensbank.com. You'll land on the official page of Citizens. Now click on Login at the very top of the screen. Choose the account and then click on Login. Enter your login credential as in your user ID and the password, and then click on Login. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Once you're in this page, now in the section of Credit Card Account, select your account. Now at the top right corner, click on Pay. Enter the amount that you want to pay for credit card. Once you've entered the amount, the next thing you want to do is tap on Pay From. Select the account in which you want to pay from, and then select the payment date. Once you've entered all of the information above, tap on Pay at the bottom of the screen, and then your credit card bill will get paid. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.